Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and predicting the market for 1st June till 2nd June for gold and Bitcoin. So we are currently on an 1 day chart. Here we can see a channel and the market has taken the support of the channel. Now moving on an 4 hourly chart, here we can spot a divergence and we can draw a fifth channel for a clear view. Here till here. Here we have drawn an fifth channel and we can see that the market has tested the golden ratio as predicted in my weekly forecast, which is around 0.518, which is an golden ratio. As the market has bounces or break off the golden ratio of 0.618, then we have seen a sale off from around 1743 and the market has taken the support from around 1730 or at the golden ratio, which is 0.18. Now moving on in 1 hourly chart, here we can draw a trend line which is in support from here till here. This is in long term trend line. From here till here. We can see how the market is respecting the trend line or the support zone, as we have seen market bouncing off from the trend line from here, from here, from here and various more time. Recently the market has tested the support and we can expect a move higher from this point towards RTP, which is in a range of 1776 till 1762. Now what we expect is an upwards movement. Moreover, coming on a 4 hourly chart, here we can spot a divergence. Let me draw it. Here the market is making an higher low from here till here, whereas the indicator is making an lower low or a double bottom from here till here. This divergence is hidden bullish divergence, which states that the market should enter in an bullish territory after a short-term sell-off. So we are bullish on the gold and we can expect a upwards movement on the gold, as the fundamentals also support the same view. The fundamental supporting our analysis for being bullish on gold is the protests have turned violent, the Trump pullback from the edge with China, which has created uncertainty in the market, and the stocks are set to open lower and the gold man turns more positive. And ISM manufacturing data. Now in conclusion or the summary, what we should do or where we should trigger a long position on gold. My trigger point would be some around 1733. Here 1733 with a TP just placed below the recent high and the stop loss just placed below the support zone, which is this support zone. This trade will provide us a risk to reward of 1:2. That's a quite good risk to reward. My trigger point would be some around 1730. The fundamental and technical patterns both tell us that we should be bullish on the gold and will go for a long or go for a buying opportunity some around area of 1732 till 1730, where then TP just placed below the recent highs, which is 1743, and the stop loss would be placed some around 1727. We are currently on Bitcoin 1 day chart. Here we are drawing a trend line or the support zone for the Bitcoin, which we can see that the Bitcoin is taking support and bouncing off from here till here. Here we can see that the Bitcoin is continuously taking the support and bouncing off. What I expect for the Bitcoin to do is that first let me draw the resistance zone for the Bitcoin, which is some around here and here. Here we can also see that the Bitcoin on a 1 day chart is making a pattern of ascending triangle, which means that the market should break off this resistance and move towards recent highs, which is some around 10,500. Here on a bigger time frame, what we expect to do is that the Bitcoin should test this support zone before a break through this resistance zone, as the Bitcoin will fuel up the energy from here to break this. Now moving on a 4 hourly chart on Bitcoin. Here we can see a break through the trend line on an from here till here. We can see this trend line has been respecting by the market, and the market is bouncing off this trend line. We have recently seen a breakout. What I expect in a test or a pullback towards the trend line, this area would be a great opportunity to go short on Bitcoin. What we can expect the Bitcoin is to test this zone, which is some around 9,100 till 9,000, and the Bitcoin can bounce off this zone upwards. Now moving on a 1 hourly chart. We can also spot a divergence on Bitcoin as the market is making higher low from here till here, whereas the indicator should also make an higher low, whereas the indicator is making a lower low from here till here. And moreover, we have as in confirmation for this, we have seen a break through this resistance line. Now going on a lower time frame on a 1 hourly chart. Here let me draw this line here on a 1 hourly chart. We can spot a symmetrical triangle pattern being formed. Here, what I am expecting the market to break this symmetrical triangle downwards. Thus, a sale position can be created, or in the summary, what our trader should do on 1st and 2nd June is I am bearish on the Bitcoin. However, on a longer time frame, I am bullish on the Bitcoin, but the technical perspective is telling to be bearish on the Bitcoin. My TP and SL for going short would be as shown. We'll take in short position some around here, where the stop loss just placed above the resistance zone, and the take profit would be some around here. this trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:1. That's a quite not a good risk to reward. However, a trade can be placed and the profit can be made on this trade. However, if we see a break through this symmetrical triangle downwards, here we'll take a short position. Here we'll take a short position where the stop loss is placed above the support zone and the take profit would be this downward support. Here we have explained two scenarios are taking a short position within the symmetrical triangle with the take profit of support of the symmetrical triangle and the stop loss just placed outside the resistance zone, and another scenario is the break through the symmetrical triangle, the stop loss just placed above the support zone over here, some around 9,400, and the take profit would be some around 9,000. The trade should be triggered on an pullback. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.